Hey beauties, welcome back to the channel. I have another DIY makeover for you. So if you're interested in seeing how I transformed all this fabulousness, then stay tuned. I was gifted this mirror by my very best friend, and I wanted to change it, make it look a little bit updated for my office shed. So first things first, you want to make sure you cover the entire mirror so that you don't get any paint or any residue on this mirror. Once that was completed, I took it to a ventilated space and began to spray paint a metallic paint that I purchased from one of my hardware stores. I'm not sure which one, but there are plenty out there, so either one, pick. To give it a little bit more oomph, so I took a ruler and marked off a designated space in the middle of the mirror. Once you have the area marked off, you want to make sure you take some painter's tape for this next step that we're going to do, to make sure it doesn't get on the actual part of the mirror that will be left over. I then took some Mod Podge and some crushed glass that I had left over from a previous craft and just began to add it to the outside of my designated area on that mirror. Once I had all the crushed glass on the mirror, I took one part A and B of epoxy, stirred it together, and poured it on top of the crushed glass. I did this so that the crushed glass would not move off of the mirror because I was hanging it up. I just didn't want the crushed glass to move off of there. I began to let the epoxy harden, and once it started to harden to where it's not very liquefied, you want to remove that tape off of the mirror because it will become a part of your mirror and you won't be able to move it off once the epoxy is completely settled. And this is what the mirror looked like beforehand. Very outdated, kind of blah. Even Coda, my baby, was not feeling this before pic. But this is how it looked afterwards. And I forgot to record that after the epoxy settled, I took that same metallic spray and went over the crushed glass with that color. I think it turned out nice. Let me know what you guys think of this simple mirror upgrade in the comment section. And until next time, guys, take care. Find the beauty in your ashes. Bye.